Hello friends, in this video I'll be teaching you the exercises with foam roller. Foam roller we all have but we don't know how to use. It's really relaxing and relieving when you are fatigued. After the gym also you can do these exercise workouts to release your body. This is for the arms. If you have any cramps on your arms you can use this. Just roll on it up and down. I'm doing in the clinic premises but you can do with the gym clothes and that will be easy for you to do. Just go forward and come backward and release your arms. Now I'll be telling you the side of the back, how to release the side of the back. Just roll on it with one leg straight, another leg bent, and roll on one leg. While rolling you will feel that it is just massaging your side of the back, and this will relieve your back. And now we come to the inner thigh region. In the inner thigh, many times when you go for workout or have a sitting job, these muscles are getting shortened and tightened up, so you can release that tightness like this. Now next comes for your back. For your back you should roll like this, in which foam roller is on your back and you are with both the knees bent, you are just rolling on it. After the back we will come to the back of the thighs. Just lie down on the mat and under the thighs keep that foam roller and roll on it with the back of your thighs. Your back of thighs massage can be done like this, and it is better than the massage. It is relieving your stretched out muscles. Elongation of the muscle is felt after this. This is a wonderful exercise after the gym workout when you are having many cramps and after a standing job. This will give you quite good relaxation after this. Then comes the calf muscles. Calf muscles, every one of us likes somebody do massage at the calf region. So this is the foam roller giving you massage. You are just placing it under the calf region. Whole weight is under your hands and you are just rolling on the calf region. After this comes the upper back. Just keep it on the center of your back and just roll on the foam roller left to right, just massaging all over your upper body and rotators of the back. After this you can just lie down on the foam roller and go left to right by shifting your weight on the left foot and the right foot and just relaxing your paraspinal muscles. All muscles of the back get relaxed with this. This is giving you relaxation, massage, stretching, all effects together. And then comes the foot relaxation by making the curve of the foot. Just go up and down all over your foot by keeping this foam roller under the feet and just rotating forward and backward. You can do one leg or two leg together by standing on the foam roller, but while doing you can just hold some wall, keep it near the wall. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and the foam roller is really useful. I hope you understand the effects of foam roller and keep on watching my videos. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.